Hey legends, welcome back. Today I'm following up on my last Excel video where we used the SUMIF and SUMIFs functions to add up some sales data depending on some criteria that we gave it. In this video, I'm going to be taking it to the next level by ensuring that no one can break your beautiful formulas by using a list in Excel. How do you do that? Well, tag along and I'll show you. So we're going to jump back into my spreadsheet here, and just a quick update. You can see how if I update these cells with words, it updates my SUMIF formula. Now, if I spell kettle wrong, you can see it doesn't return any result, and we don't want this. So what we're going to do is go over to data validation and select list. Now I'm on a Mac, of course, so it might look a little bit different. And all we're going to do is we're going to select the regions here, which are on a separate sheet. Now you'll see that it's created a little drop down box, but I'll do it again for category. So just going in here and selecting list, and then the source, of course, over on sheet 2. I've already made these. Just going to highlight those two cells there, book and kettle. This will mean no one can misspell kettle and return a nil result. Now you'll see here, I've got a lovely little list, and no one can break my SUMIF formula any longer. How great, that is wonderful. Now you may have noticed when I was making this, that in the drop down box, it was actually returning an equals a defined name in the data validation code. That's because I've already been in here and I've highlighted these cells and selected define name. Now in here, you can actually give these 4 items a name. So in this case, let's call it demo. I was going to call it test, but I changed my mind. Let's call it demo. And now you can see here, if I go into data validation, I can equals demo, and it'll give me the same result. It doesn't necessarily give you that array, you know, the A2 to A6 kind of thing that you may be used to. This is really useful when you're building more complicated financial spreadsheets or working in the private equity field, where you're going to have multiple functions going on and you want to be able to go through and validate all those functions. It also means it's harder and harder for people to break, which of course is very important when more and more people get involved in difficult financial modeling. So this is kind of just something I've adopted. It might be a bit overkill, but you know, it's how I like to do things. If this video was helpful, drop a comment below, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll be making some more videos shortly, so you want to catch those if you've enjoyed this one, including a little bit of information about how you can use custom formatting and also why you shouldn't merge cells in Excel.